Hey team. So obviously this is math class. We know in a sense what math is. It's doing addition, multiplication, and division. But it's not like professional mathematicians. I mean, the people who are at the big universities around the world are sitting there doing worksheets on multiplication, right? So what is math really? What's the point of all this? I think the one sentence that really can sum up what mathematics is math is the study of patterns. Um, and we'll talk about that a lot this year. But where does math come from? It's important to know math is human. It's invented by real people. It has a history. It has a history of people arguing with each other about the truth and what it was. We're going to learn some really interesting stories this year about mathematicians throughout history. So it is not just something that exists in a textbook. It is being written and invented by humans even still today. It's tens of thousands of years old. There's evidence of mathematics being done by cultures before there was evidence of reading and writing. It's universal. Men, women, all cultures do mathematics. Many of the most important and famous mathematical formulas were actually invented by several people independently of each other all over the world. So don't ever think that one group of people is better at doing math than another. Simply not true. And math is for everyone. It's a very natural form of expression and how we look at the world. We want to explain things. Everyone uses math. And some people think that they're not good at it, they can't do it. I think that's just a misconception. Some people can struggle with the kind of math that we do in class more than others, but it's wrong to think that you can't do it at all. You can. Math is curiosity. People look around the world, they see how beautiful it is, how complex it is, and they want to explain it, they want to understand it. And math is the tool that helps them. Galileo, probably the most famous astronomer of all time, said, "The book of nature is written in the language of mathematics." What he meant is that when scientists and people look around the world, they want to explain certain things that they see, they use mathematics to describe it. So math is history, as I was talking about before, and math is change. All the technology that we have, all these things that make our life what it is today, it exists because of advances in mathematics and the corresponding advances in science. So when we engage in mathematics in our class, when we act like mathematicians, we're actually doing one of the most human things there is, one of the oldest things that humans have been doing. And really that's just looking around at this big, wonderful world and asking what is it and how does it work. I'm sure you can tell that this excites me very much, and I want to make sure that throughout this year everyone gets excited about this. That's one of my main goals, and I think it's a goal that we should share. And so I hope that it's a goal for you too. See you in class.